Hi guys, it's me, Jax in Scratch Mode, and today you learn another new and interesting new project. And today's project name is You Are a Drummer. Now, in this project, you are a drummer, like I said. Now, for the first, we have to do this. We have to delete this sprite. We need some instruments. So in the instruments tab, in oh no, we need to find music. Here's the so we need to select all related to the drum, like this one: drum kit, drum cymbal, drum hi hat, drum snare, and drums conga is not necessary. Rest you do not have to add only, and it's your wish if you want to add this one too. Okay. So first let's put the drum. Again then we go drum kit. Again we go to music, drum cymbal, and again music we go to drum hi-hat. And now I will not recommend to upload the files from the internet, but still if you really want to upload it from the internet and don't like the scratch one, you can. So then we have to go to music, drum snare. We have to add. So these are our sprites. Oh, we have two of these. Let me delete this. Yes, we need to duplicate this by right clicking it. Then we get the option to duplicate. Here, click on this, then you got a duplicate. So we have to arrange the sprites as we like. This goes over here at the sides, and the hi-hat at the very side. Now this project is gonna be really interesting because you are going to learn something new, and that are more blocks. Now Scratch, there are a set of blocks: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. And my blocks, which you have to make a block. You can do like this. Example, percentage 8, and add a boolean, and okay. Just put this back, make a block. So example, I take percentage 8, and when I put a boolean, okay. So I can write n in a block, but it has to make sense. For this you'll need a real programming skill, so that will come later. So right now we have to add a new set of blocks after correcting the sprites as you like, called face sensing. If you click on this purple icon, add extension, then you get a lot of options like Lego Boost, Lego Mindstorm, Lego, and these are about microchips. Turn anything into a key, sensing, and we need external hardware for this, and rest can happen inside. So for this project we need video sensing, not face sensing. So the face sensing is about it detects our body, hair, forehead, lips, and nose. But video sensing, it just displays a video and that's it. Right now, so we have to enable our videos by going on the lock up, like I'm going to show you. Go to lock now and allow the camera. So right now I'm allow. Yeah. So right now it's fine. So you might notice, why do I have these cat ears? I'll tell you. Go to settings, go to theme, and then you get this default, in which the blocks are default, no cat ears. And then you get an really interesting setting, cat blocks. Now all your blocks that start an event have cat, and it also blinks its eyes when you go over them, and and you can also touch its ear. Really interesting feature to share with you. So now we have to go over here. In every single one, video motion 10, sound, play, high tom. They both are this kind of looking same, so I'll add low tom. So go to sound, play sound low tom until done. Now you have to keep it 10 because 10 is when it really detects. Now if we put it 20 or above, then whatever moving, even a small, just like if the fan's on, the cloth of anything can move now, it'll also take that, and then it'll be a lot of noise in your house. So 10 is best. You only have to wave your hands to make it done. So I go to a drum kit again, same blocks for all of them. The sounds might be different, they have a lot of different sounds. Now low tom and high tom are done. Drum bass 3, 2, and 1. Whatever you like, you can add. I like 2, so I add that. Go to sound, play sound, bass 2 until done, and pitch with the cat ear again for more fun, and go to the next byte. You have to do this till all of them are done. Let me pause the video so you don't waste your time. So guys, I've added it to all of them. But so when I'll turn on my video, and if it sees movement in any one of the sprites, it'll start playing. So let me turn on my camera. Camera now. Yeah. Wait a second, it might be some noise. So here's the white one. I don't want to face reveal. I'll only do it if you go on the other channel at Jags mode, then you might see my face. So I will move in front of all the sprites, and then they'll start playing. See. So this is video sensing. All guys. And so guys, this is video sensing. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you don't, leave a dislike and tell me in the comment section what should I improve below. Thanks. Bye.